stem is that part, it is a shoot part, that part of a plant which keeps the plant posture straight, means keep the plant straight. Also, it is the part of the plant that grow above the ground, that is, it is shoot also. And as we have seen in match the following, it contains branches, leaves, flowers, fruits. That's why the blank answer is stem. Okay, now we will move on to the third one. The flat portion of leaf is known as lamina. What it is known as? Lamina. We have this also blank. We studied in match the column that the flat portion of the leaf, that means this portion, the flat portion of the leaf is known as lamina. In your book it is given as leaf blade also, but you have to write the word lamina because this is scientific term, technical term. So learn the proper spelling of lamina. Okay, now fourth one. Dash are the colorful and beautiful parts of a plant. What is colorful and beautiful part of a plant? Flowers. Yes, so flowers, it is always very attractive, it is always very colorful, beautiful. As you have seen, there are many variety of flowers present in different type of plants. And also we have studied about this, that they are so attractive that it even attracts insects like bees and butterflies. Okay, so the only colorful and beautiful parts of the plant will be flowers. Okay, I think this is the easiest one. Now fifth one is dash is the process of making food by plants. As you know, plants make their own food, so there might be some process through which they make their own food. Like when you are hungry, your mother makes food for you. Similarly, when plants have to prepare their food, they have to go through some process. What is that process name? That process name is photosynthesis. See the correct spelling of photosynthesis. This is very important term. In higher classes, you will study about it's how this process, exchange of CO2 and O2, and very vast you will study in your higher classes. So this is a very important term and you should always remember its spelling. What is its spelling? PHOTOSYNTHESIS. Photosynthesis. As I told you earlier, this word means photo. Photo means light. Light that comes from sunlight. And in the presence of sunlight, synthesis, that means making of, how to make that food. In the presence of sunlight, air, nutrition, water, everything, they make their food. That's why this word is photosynthesis. Learn this word in breaking form. That is, first learn photo, then synthesis. Okay, this is a very important word. You must know its spelling. Okay, if you are clear with fill in the blanks, then we will move on to true and false. Before that, I would like to tell you that these are some fill in the blank that I have made. But you should also know how to form fill in the blanks by your own. How will that talent come? When you will read the chapter thoroughly, when you know how to solve the answers, you will come to know every answer of each and every sentence. Okay? So learn the chapter thoroughly. It is a very interesting chapter and very basic chapter. From here only you will come to know about plants and everything, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, now coming to true or false. Okay, green pigment called chlorophyll is not present in leaves. This is false. You know, children, why this is false? Because we know that leaves contain chlorophyll. And what is chlorophyll? It is a green pigment. So this much part of sentence is right, that green pigment called chlorophyll. But what is wrong is they are saying that this pigment is not present in leaves, which is wrong. That's why this is false statement. Leaves contain green pigment. They contain green pigment which is called chlorophyll. With the help of chlorophyll only they can make food. Okay. So this statement is false because they are saying that chlorophyll is not present in leaves, which is wrong. Chlorophyll is present in leaves. Okay. Now coming to the second one. Adult plant reproduces through pollination. Yes, this is true. This is very, very true. Adult plant reproduces through pollination. This part of information is given in the very first page of the chapter. As you open the chapter, in that first page, in second paragraph, you can find that this statement is given. This is also important, that how adult plant reproduces. It reproduces through pollination. So this statement is true. Okay, children? Now coming on to the third one. Third one is flower attracts insects like bees and butterflies. Okay?